In today's video, we are going to learn about how to solve equations involving set. We are going to use squaring both side techniques to solve the equations involving set. Now, let's look at example 13. Solve set 3x plus 1 equals to 2. So, as we can see from this question, set 3x plus 1 equals to 2. We only have set on one side, which is on the left hand side. So what we're gonna do is to square the left hand side and the right hand side. So the important things you need to know here is if we have set to any number and then we have square, we can simply cancel out the set and the square, so it will be just the number, which is x. So same as this question, as we can see on the left hand side we have set 3x plus 1 square, so we can cancel out set and square, so we will only have 3x plus 1 on the left hand side. And for the right hand side, we will have 2 square, which is 4. Next, we only have linear on the left hand side and just a number on the right hand side. So now we just need to rearrange our equation. So 3x equals to 4 minus 1, 3x equals to 3, and x equals to 1. So we have the answer x equals to 1 for this question. But don't forget to recheck our x. So what we need to do to recheck whether we have valid value of x or not, just substitute x equals to 1 into our question, set 3x plus 1 equals to 2. So x equals to 1 should satisfy our equation set 3x plus 1 equals to 2. Then you can verify the final answer is x equals to 1. That's all for question 13. Now let's look at example 14. Solve set 5x minus 9 plus 1 equals to x. As we can see from this question, we have set 5x minus 9 plus 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have x. So as we can recall from previous example 13, we can just square both sides to get rid of the set. But before that, we will move plus 1 here to the right hand side. So we will have set 5x minus 9 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have x minus 1. And now to get rid of the set, we need to square both sides like this, and we have set and square on the left hand side. We can just cancel each other, set and square, so that we will have 5x minus 9 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have x minus 1 square. So x minus 1 square is equals to x minus 1 times x minus 1, and by expanding the bracket we will have x square minus 2x plus 1. So our right hand side is x square minus 2x plus 1. And now we will move all terms to one side so that we will have 5x minus 9 minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Now simplify our equation, we will get x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. As you can see here, we have a quadratic equation, And now we can just use the calculator to solve this quadratic equation, so that we will have the factors are x minus 2 and x minus 5. From here, we will get x equals to 2 and x equals to 5. So we have the answer here, x equals to 2 and x equals to 5. But before that, we need to recheck this value of x by substituting this value into original question, which is set 5x minus 9 plus 1 equals to x. If both answer satisfy the equation, both value of x satisfy the question, so we can verify that the final answer is x equals to 2 and x equals to 5. That's all for this video. Thank you.